Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Riverside.fm AI for transcript-to-blog publishing detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Riverside.fm for transcript-to-blog publishing, start by logging into your Riverside.fm account. Navigate to the dashboard where all your recordings are listed. Select the specific recording for which you want to generate a transcript. Click on the Edit option to access the editing interface. Locate the Transcription tab within the Edit screen. If transcription is not generated automatically, look for an option that says Generate Transcript. Click on this option and wait for. Once the transcript is ready, you will receive a notification. Review the transcript for accuracy, making any necessary corrections. Add any headings or formatting that you want to include for your blog post. When you're satisfied with the transcript, click on the Export option. Choose the format in which you want to export the transcript, usually Word or plain text is recommended. Save the document to your computer. Open your blog editing platform of choice. Copy the exported transcript from your document. Paste it into your blog's text editor. Make any final adjustments to the formatting and layout for readability. Finally, publish the blog post to share your content with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.